In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML and CSS code in Silex. If you're building a site in Silex and want to add something that isn't available out of the box, the custom code element is your best friend. It lets you place your own HTML, along with CSS, right onto the page so you can create bespoke sections, embed third-party widgets, or fine-tune the design. Start by opening your browser and heading to v3.silex.me/en. Once the Silex editor loads, choose the website or project you want to work on. This takes you into the visual canvas where you can edit your page layout. Look to the left side of the editor for the plus button. This is the add menu where you'll find elements you can drop onto the page. Click that plus button to open the panel, then select custom code. This is the element designed specifically for pasting or writing your own markup. With custom code selected, drag it onto your canvas and place it where you want the content to appear. You can reposition it by dragging and resize it using the handles so it fits naturally into your layout. Think about the section you're enhancing, header, main content, or footer, so your custom block integrates smoothly with your existing design. Next, type or paste your HTML directly into the editor for that block. For simple styling, you can use inline styles or wrap your CSS in a style tag inside the same code block. If you prefer cleaner markup, add class names to your HTML and define those styles within a style tag above your markup. Keep it tidy and avoid overly broad selectors so you don't accidentally affect other parts of the page. If you're embedding third-party widgets, paste the HTML snippet they provide. For CSS that accompanies a widget, include it in the same block to keep everything in one place. As you type, watch the canvas to make sure your content appears and aligns as expected. If something looks off, check for missing closing tags or typos in your CSS. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the editor to store your changes. Saving ensures your custom block and its styles are preserved the next time you open the project. If you plan to add more custom sections later, consider naming or annotating your code within comments so it's easy to maintain. That's it, your custom HTML and CSS are now part of your Silex page. Use this approach whenever you need precise control, and remember to test on different screen sizes to keep your design responsive and clean.